Welcome back to Mastering Construction Project Management. Today, we shift gears into one of the most critical areas of any project: money. In this episode, we'll explore how construction professionals estimate costs and build reliable budgets that keep projects financially on track. Construction projects often face pressure from material price changes, design revisions, and site surprises. That's why accurate cost estimation and proactive budgeting are essential. Without strong cost control, even well-executed projects can fail financially. The goal is not just to build, but to build within budget and with profit. There are several levels of cost estimates depending on the stage of the project. 1. Rough order of magnitude, ROM, early ballpark estimate with plus or minus 25 to 50% accuracy. 2. Preliminary estimate, based on concept design. Accuracy improves to plus or minus 15 to 30%. 3. Definitive estimate, based on detailed plans, quantities, and vendor quotes. Accuracy plus or minus 5 to 10%. The more detailed the design and scope, the more accurate your estimate. Construction costs are made up of both direct and indirect elements. Direct costs, like labor, materials, equipment, subcontractors. Indirect costs, like site supervision, temporary facilities, insurance and permits, contingencies, and overhead. Every line item counts, and overlooking one can distort the entire budget. Estimators use a combination of methods and tools: quantity takeoffs from drawings, manual or digital; unit cost, estimating, cost per square meter, per item; historical cost data from similar past projects; vendor quotes and supplier pricing; estimating software like PlanSwift, CostX, or Excel models. Good estimators combine hard data with field knowledge and foresight. Once the estimate is approved, it's converted into a project budget, the official financial plan. This includes cost breakdown by phase or WBS code, cash flow projections, contingency reserves, funding sources, and approvals. This budget becomes your baseline, the standard against which you monitor and control actual costs. In later phases, you'll compare actual spending with planned values using earned value management, a powerful technique we'll explore in future episodes. Accurate estimation and disciplined budgeting are key to delivering projects that succeed on both paper and pavement. In our next episode, we'll look at construction contracts and procurement, the business side of building. Stay tuned.